Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahil. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you something simple and useful, which is settings for vector blob brush tool, which we are going to increase the rope length. So for blob brush tool, you can increase the rope length from 1 pixel to 128 pixel. So this is how we can increase the rope length for vector blob brush tool in Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.